Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods of installing Questcraft, the unofficial official version of Minecraft for standalone Oculus Quest. The 3 different methods I'm going to be showing you is through PC, which is supposedly the easiest, through a phone, and through the Oculus Quest itself, without a computer or a phone. I know Questcraft actually already released their official video, however, you guys really wanted me to make a video on this for whatever reason, so I asked them if it was okay, to not steal their thunder, and they said it was fine. So strap in, because this is going to be a lot easier than you might originally think. I do feel the need to mention that for every single one of these, you do need to have developer mode on your Quest, so make sure that's on before we begin. So if you're doing this on PC, it's going to be incredibly simple. Download SideQuest and open up SideQuest. Once you have SideQuest opened up, connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your computer. Once it's connected, you may have to accept a few prompts inside the headset, but once you're done that, your headset should show up in the top left right here, with a little green dot stating connected. And the process from here is going to be really easy. Inside Quest, search for Questcraft, or use the link that I'm going to leave for you down in the description below, as it might not be showing up inside Quest just yet. So in case it's not, paste the link into right here, click open, and it will open up inside Quest just like that. With your Quest connected, press download and sideload. And just like that, when you see all tasks completed, it means the app is now installed on your Quest. But you're not done just yet. Now click the arrow next to sideload. Click on download app, and it will download a zip file to your computer. You will want to extract the zip file to somewhere safe. Once you've done that, you're going to want to open your file manager. Inside there, find the Android folder that you extracted earlier from that zip file. Copy it, go into your Quest's files, internal storage, and paste it right there. It'll ask you if you want to replace files. Click yes. There you go. You're actually done. It's that simple. Fire up your Oculus Quest, go into unknown sources, fire up PoJav Launcher, sign into your Minecraft Java account, go into settings inside PoJav Launcher, this is very important, go into renderer and change your renderer to this exact version. Once you've done that, make sure that you have Fabric selected inside the profiles menu and click play. You're ready and off to go. Really quick, really simple. If you guys have any issues, you can ask down below or on their Discord. Okay, now for the next one, on your phone. If you guys have an Android phone, you can actually sideload apps using it. It's important to note that for this process, you will need an OTG adapter, which is an on-the-go cable allowing you to plug USB into your phone, or you can use a Type-C to Type-C cable, which you supposedly received with your Oculus Quest 2. Now, I know we could use SideQuest on the phone as well. However, we're actually not going to, as I've found that it causes more issues than it solves, since we can't download the zip file through SideQuest. So instead, we're going to do it a different way. Go onto their GitHub page releases, which are going to be down in the description below. Download the 2 files, the APK and the zip file. Use your favorite file manager on your phone to extract that zip file somewhere safe, and now download Bug Jaeger. Now, Bug Jaeger is the software that will allow us to sideload and look through the files of our Oculus Quest using our phone. Fire up Bug Jaeger and plug your Quest into your phone, either using that OTG adapter or Type-C cable. Accept all the prompts that may show up on your phone, and you may also need to accept a dialog inside your Quest asking for permission for ADB debugging. Once Bug Jaeger detects the Quest, it should show up in the top left here, showing that it is connected and detected. Once you've done that, click this button inside Bug Jaeger, find the APK file that you downloaded earlier, and sideload it to your Quest. Bug Jaeger should do this for you. Now you want to go back into the file browser on your phone, as we need to access the Quest's storage. So make sure that your file browser does actually support OTG. Most built-in file browsers actually do nowadays. Your Quest should show up under the list of storage devices you have on your phone. So now find that folder that you extracted earlier and copy it over to your Quest storage. Repeat the steps of going into unknown sources, launching PoJav, signing into your Minecraft account, switching the renderer, making sure the profile is correct, and you're ready enough to go to the races. And now for our final way. This is supposedly the best possible way you could have, but what really matters here is you watching my videos. No, I'm joking. But if you do watch my videos, you would know that this is one of my favorite ways of modding the Quest. This is a mod that I recommend to everyone. If anytime previously you had sideloaded a file manager to your Quest, you can use this method, meaning you don't need a PC or a phone, which is why I recommend everybody sideloads a file manager to their Quest, because this is something you only have to do once, and then you never need a phone or a PC again for most mods. This is going to come in super handy in the future, as I know that a lot of you don't have Android phones or computers, so trust me, this is handy. Anyway, so if you have a file manager, you can use this method. On your Oculus Quest, fire up your browser, go to their GitHub page, fire up releases, and download the 2 files once again. Using that file manager, extract that zip file once again to a safe place on your Quest. Then install the APK. This is much easier through the file manager, as all you do is you click on it and click install. Once you've done that, find your extracted folder, hold on it, and copy it. as your destination folder, click on internal storage, and then click paste. Boom. Once again, you're done. Once that folder's in data, exit out of your file manager, fire up unknown sources, Pojav launcher, sign in with your Minecraft account, go into settings, switch the renderer, make sure the profile is set to fabric, and hit play. Now, what's very important is whenever this dialog shows up, you must click play anyway. Don't click anything else, it will break the game. Now, a lot of you have been asking this, so I'm going to answer it. In this tutorial, I'm also going to show you how to install mods and servers into your Questcraft install. Because yes, currently there's no keyboard there, which means you can't type in server names. And a lot of people have wanted to know how to install mods, because Questcraft is based on Fabric, so you can actually place any Fabric mods into the install. So, this is actually really simple. To get your servers, you will require a secondary machine. So let's say this is your computer. So on your computer, you're going to want to add any server that you might want. Press Windows and the letter R to bring up the run box. Type %appdata%. Enter .minecraft and find your server's .dat file. This is the file that stores all your Minecraft servers. Take that file and copy it. Now go into your Quest's internal storage. Head over to Android, data, net.kdt.pojavlaunch.debug.minecraft, and paste it into that folder. This will take any server that you had created on your computer and throw it into your Questcraft install, allowing you to join servers that aren't on LAN. So yes, multiplayer works. Now onto the mods. Download any mod you might want, whether you want to use your phone or your computer for this, or the Quest itself if you have that file manager handy. Remember, these mods do need to be for Fabric. Navigate once again to the same .minecraft folder that we were in earlier on the Quest and head over to the mods folder. Place any mod that you might want for Fabric in there, and you're done. It's that simple. Now, do keep in mind you might want to allocate more RAM to Minecraft once you do this. To do that, head over to Settings inside Pojav Launcher, Java Runtime Arguments, and change this number to however much RAM you want to give it. Do keep in mind it might crash if you give it too much, so you need to find a sweet spot for yourself. But there you go. I bet that was much easier than you probably originally thought. And there you have 3 methods of installing Questcraft onto your Oculus Quest. I know they have their official tutorial, but I decided to add a little bit into this one to hopefully help you guys out and get as many people running this as possible. Do make sure to give them your support, hop onto their Discord, and in case you haven't seen my previous video on Questcraft, trying it out and telling you exactly what it is, make sure to check it out right up here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too, but please tell me why down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to the Patreon supporting this channel. You guys help me out a ton, paying my bills and making these videos better, so thank you so much for that. If you guys are not yet part of our community, check out our Discord down below and check out our Reddit, where I want to see you posting your spicy memes. And as usual, in case you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel, make sure to smack the subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.